Alright, so we are going to draw the gametophyte of the fern, and in this particular fern it is dioecious, so we're going to have a male gametophyte and a female gametophyte. The male gametophyte is called the microgametophyte, and it's pretty tiny. It's less than a centimeter usually, and so we're kind of seeing that in the slide. I'm going to get the general kind of shape of one of these prothallus, and there are rhizoids coming down which help to adhere the gametophyte to the soil. Okay, so each one of those is a rhizoid. We're going to get closer up to the gametophyte so we can really see those antheridia that are contained sporadically throughout. So you kind of saw those dark circles just randomly arranged throughout the gametophyte. And upon closer inspection, you should be able to see that there's a little stalk, and there's a layer, kind of a bubble, and in that bubble we have little spiral-shaped sperm cells. Okay. So one of these is an antheridium, and each one of these little spiral cells is a sperm. And everything that you're seeing here is haploid. Haploid, 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 even the rhizoids, haploid. Okay, I'm going to add some color.